Welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Here's what visitors can assume from Last Chance U Season 6, which includes byproduct plans, a proper launch date and tail details. The Netflix docuseries has targeted 3 soccer packages on the junior university JUCO stage, considering that its debut in 2016. Despite being a bona fide hit for the streaming service, the name might be making predominant adjustment before hands of the brand new season. Last Chance U Season 5 is the end of the football story. Before the discharge of Season 5, Netflix introduced that Last Chance U became running to an end. Even if the brand new season gets record-breaking attention, the streamer has no plans to cognizance on soccer packages within the close-to future. This can also additionally come as a wonder to maximum visitors thinking about the fine reception the docuseries has garnered. Thankfully, Last Chance U is not always making plans to vanish completely, it's simply converting sports. Along with the assertion of Last Chance U's cancellation, Netflix shared that a byproduct has been greenlit and the brand new collection will cognizance JUCO basketball. The byproduct title Last Chance U Basketball can technically be taken into consideration Season 6 of the Emmy-nominated collection. It might be supplied with inside the identical fashion because the authentic display with the identical intensity has a take observe the lives of gamers in junior university athletics. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. In the past, Last Chance U dropped new seasons in July, the time of year while schools ramp up their schooling camps beforehand at the beginning of soccer season. With the extra of sport, it would not be stunning to see Last Chance U basketball extrude across the display's timeline. Netflix said that the brand new collection will top quality in 2021 and it's secure to expect a drop date within the fall. Not most effective, wouldn't it provide the filming group enough time to complete up protecting the 2019 or 2020 basketball season, however it would additionally lead up to the conventional beginning of basketball season. Last Chance U Basketball will formally cognizance the East Los Angeles Community College Huskies. The byproduct become already properly into improvement while the information become introduced for the reason the docuseries accompanied the team's 2019 and 2020 season. Aside from everyday demanding situations confronted via way of means of JUCO athletes, the ELAC gamers are presently encountering the results of a halted season because of the coronavirus pandemic. The season became placed on keep simply earlier than playoffs have been set to begin. In June, it became determined that ELAC season would not resume till January or February of 2021. Also, the full variety of video games performed might be decreased via way of means of 25%. All of those new adjustments will truly be in cognizance while Last Chance U returns subsequent year. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and update, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com. And if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.